Hi student, class 12th standard, subject accountancy, unit 3, accounts of partnership firm fundamental, pass journal entry. Next one, profit and loss, appropriation account, fluctuating capital method. First, question number 22. Dinesh and Sukumar entered into a partnership agreement on 1st January 2018. Dinesh contributed rupees 1,50,000 and Sukumar rupees 1,20,000 as capital. The agreement provided that first one, A, profit and losses to be shared in the ratio 2:1 as between Dinesh and Sukumar. B, partners to be entered to interest on capital at 4% PA. C1, interest on drawings to be charged Dinesh rupees 3,600 and Sukumar rupees 2,200. Next, D, Dinesh to receive of salary rupees 60,000 for the year end. E, next one, E, Sukumar to receive a commission rupees 80,000 during the year ended on 31st December 2018. The firm made a profit of rupees 2,20,000 before adjustment of interest, salary and commission. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and fluctuating capital method. First, pass journal entry. Pass journal entry, date, particulars and debit and credit. First, B, partners entered to a interest on capital at 4%. Interest on capital account data. Interest on capital account data to Dinesh capital to Sukumar capital. Dinesh capital 1,50,000 into rate of interest 4 divided by 100. 0 cancel, 0 5 4s are 20 carried to 6,000. Dinesh capital interest on capital credit 6,000. Next, Sukumar capital 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 4 divided by 100. 0 cancel. 0 4 2s are 8 carry 1 4,800. Total interest on capital 10,800. Interest on capital amount transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit transfer entry, profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital. Total amount 10,800. First one. Next, interest on drawings to be charged Dinesh 3,600 and Sukumar rupees 2,002. Pass journal entry. Dinesh interest on drawings account data 3,600. Sukumar interest on drawings account data 2,200. To interest on drawings total amount 5,800. Interest on drawings transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings, interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. Total amount 5,800. Next, Dinesh to receive a salary of rupees 60,000 for the year ended. Dinesh salary account data. Dinesh salary account data to Dinesh capital rupees 60,000 credit. Next, Dinesh salary transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account data to Dinesh salary rupees 60,000 credit 60,000. Next, Sukumar to receive a commission rupees 80,000. Sukumar commission account data to Sukumar capital at rupees 80,000 and 80,000. Sukumar commission transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account data to Sukumar commission 80,000. First, pass journal entry. Interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, transfer to ledger account, ledger account. First one, profit and loss appropriation account. Next one, fluctuating capital method. First, per interest on capital account data 10,800 to interest on capital to Dinesh capital to Sukumar capital 4,800 is 6,000. Transfer to profit and loss account. Next, capital account. First, transfer entry, profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital. Profit and loss debit side opposite to interest on capital. Dinesh 6,000. Sukumar 4,800. Total 10,800. Next, interest on capital account data to Dinesh capital to Sukumar capital. Appo capital credit side la by interest on capital Dinesh 6,000. Partners Dinesh 6,000, Sukumar 4,800. First, adjusting entry, transfer to capital account, transfer entry, transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Next one, Dinesh interest on drawings account data 3,600, Sukumar interest on drawings account data 2,200 to interest on drawings to interest on drawings capital debit side le 2 interest on drawings to interest on drawings 3,600 Dinesh, Sukumar 2,200. Next, interest on drawings transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings account data 5,800 to profit and loss appropriation. Credit side la buy. So credit side la buy interest on drawings, Dinesh 3600, Sugumar 2200, total 5800. Next one, Dinesh salary account data 60,000 to Dinesh capital. But Dinesh capital credit side by salary Dinesh 60,000 hyphen. Next, Dinesh salary transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account data to Dinesh salary. Debit side to salary Dinesh. Amount 60,000. Next, Sugumar commission account data 80,000 to Sugumar capital. Sugumar capital account le credit side le by Sugumar 80,000. Sugumar commission transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account data to Sugumar commission. Profit and loss debit side to commission Sugumar. Amount 80,000. Next, first share profit partner before adjustment by before profit by net profit 2,20,000 total amount 0,0,855 2,25,800 adjustment before profit 2,20,000 add by interest and drawings Dinesh 3,600 Sugumar 2,200 total amount income 2,25,800 2,25,800 0 to 5 add panna 5 8 6 14 14 over 1 15 15 over 7 add panna 22 carry 2 2 over 0 add panna 22 ஆச்சு 2 net profit sharing partners 2:1 75,000 into 2 divided by 3 75,000 into 1 by 3 2:1 2 by 3 1 by 3 3 1 3s are upper 2 3s are 5 3s are upper 2 5 25 50,000 sharing profit Dinesh 50,000 Sugumar 25,000 75,000 into 1 by 3 25,000 sharing profit transfer to capital account by profit and loss appropriation account profit sharing profit Dinesh 50,000 Sugumar 25,000 started business 1st January 2018 Dinesh 1,50,000 Sugumar 1,20,000 credit by balance BD Dinesh 1,50,000 Sugumar 1,20,000 total amount, capital, add interest on capital, add salary, add Suguma, add profit, share profit, 0, 0, 0. For capital amount, 1st January 2018 by balance BD 1,50,000, Sukumar 1,20,000, add interest on capital or add salary, add commission, add profit and share profit. Total amount Dinesh 2,66,000, Sukumar 2,29,800, 2,66,000, Sukumar 2,29,800. Let's say 0, 0. Let's say 2 order 7 at 9 carry 1 order 1 for 2,17,600 balance Sukumar amount. Adi Dinesh 0, 0. 6 order 6 order 6 at panna 4 at panna 10 carry 1 4 order 2 at panna 6 4 order 2 at panna 6 carry 0, 0, 6 4 10 10 order 6 order 10 carry 1 4 4 order 6 2,62,400 Dinesh to balance CD by balance BD Dinesh 2,62,400, Sukumar 2,17,600. Okay, next sum. Next question 23rd. Anthony and Ranjit started a business on 1st April 2018 with a capital of rupees 4 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get a salary of rupees 90,000 per annum. Ranjit is to get a 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and interest on capital at 5% per annum, but after charging such of commission, profit sharing ratio between the two partners is 1:1. During the year, the firm earned a profit of rupees 3,65,000. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. The firm close account on 31st March every year. For first ledger 23rd ledger profit and loss appropriation account 31st March 2019. First before net profit by net profit. By net profit to 3,65,000. Next interest on capital 2. Interest on capital 5%. Anthony and Ranjit. Anthony capital amount 4 lakh into 5 divided by 100 0 5 20,000. Next Ranjit capital amount 3 lakhs into 5 divided by 100 0 cancel 5 3s are 15,000. Total interest on capital amount 35,000. Next salary. Anthony salary 2. Salary Anthony rupees 90,000. After charging such of commission 25%. After before profit 3,65,000. Total profit credit side 3,65,000. No interest on drawings. Debit 3,65,000. 0 0 0 5 order 0 12 order 4 at panna 6 carry 1 order 2 at panna 2,40,000 profit profit 2,40,000. Before net profit 3,65,000. Less interest on capital, total amount 35,000. Less salary Anthony 90,000. After profit 2,40,000. Such of commission Ranjit, after such of commission 25%. 2,40,000 into 25 divided by 125. 125 25 sir 525 125 1 5 sir 4 5 sir 20 8 5 sir 40 0 0 48,000. Ranjit, after such of commission 25, total amount 48,000. Transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account data to Ranjit, commission 48,000. To commission to commission Ranjit 48,000. 0 less 0. Total amount 3,65,000 before net profit less adjustment less interest on capital 35,000 to salary 90,000 to after commission 48,000. Balance profit 0 0 0. 13 or 2 at 1 15 carry 1 5 5 or 9 14 or 17 or 9 at 1 26 carry 2. Total profit 1,92,000. Sharing ratio Anthony and Ranjit equal. First sharing profit Anthony sharing profit Ranjit. Ratio 1:1. 1,92,000 into 1 divided by 2. 1,92,000 1 by 2. 1 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. 6 2s are 96,000. 96,000. Sharing profit Anthony 96,000. Ranjit 96,000. Okay, thanks.